editing a video in the CapCut app, but the app is constantly lagging or freezing? This video will show you a couple of solutions for this problem, so just follow my steps. A very basic fix for this problem is to open the app, and I'm currently in the project which is lagging for me. And if you have this problem where the video lags between the video and the watermark, then what you want to do is to delete the watermark completely. And you'll also delete maybe a half a second of the video end. This can cause lagging for some reason when the video plays, but it can also stop you from exporting the video sometimes. So delete your CapCut watermark, delete a half a second of the video ending, and then check if this worked. Step number 2 is to simply restart your phone, because there may be a temporary glitch in your software. So I'm on my iPhone, and what I will do is I will swipe to open my control center, then long press this power button until the slide to power off screen shows up. Just turn the phone off, then turn it back on, and reopen CapCut and see if this worked. The third solution for us to do is to clear the cache files which CapCut has. These files can pile up over time, and they can make our app freeze, lag, become unresponsive, and many more things. So what I'll do is I will open my settings page and then go to the General section. After that, I'll open iPhone storage. Then scroll until you find CapCut on this list. We'll have 2 different options on this page, and you're going to click on Offload App and wait a couple of seconds. What this step does is it will delete the cache files, the unnecessary data, and other things which may be slowing down CapCut on your phone. And after CapCut offloads, simply click on Reinstall App. And this step will do a fresh installation. It will force update the app, and this step should fix your issue. So go ahead and see if your video is still lagging when you're editing it. If this video helped you out, then consider subscribing for more similar tutorials like this one. And also, thanks for watching.